favorite machine throughout the years has always been the General Speed Rooter 91.
Okay, why do you like that so much?
Oh, it goes through everything. I mean, it goes through roots pretty much. If you can't get it with that, you're not going to get it.
Okay, so it's your go-to machine, huh?
Yeah, I like the belt-driven machines.
How long you had it?
I've 20-some years.
And how many cables do you go through, let's say every year?
Nah, not many. I mean, I've only, over the years, I don't know how many, but I got 3/4-inch cable by 100 feet, and it lasts a long time.
Lasts a long time.
The heads are the big thing for me.
Yeah, go ahead.
General has the best heads.
Hi, I'm Seth with Short Flow Sort and Drain. Been using the Flexi Rooter here for about a year. It gets me out of a lot of spots that we can't jet, or we have a backed up basement and we're not able to add water to it because of the mess. It's a great tool to have in your truck to be able to quick and efficiently open drains in homes and businesses. Compared to a snake, it will chew through roots. You're able to use your camera and identify the spots that need cleaned better and the roots that need opened up. Does a wonderful job for everything I use it for.
Hi, I'm John Cole from Pinehurst, North Carolina. We bought the Flexi Rooter last year from the show. One of the great things about the Flexi Rooter is the ability to run the camera in conjunction with it. You can kind of see what you're accomplishing as you run the Flexi Rooter down the line. It makes for a great combination.
I'm Mike Polino with Kennedy Mechanical, and I just want to say I use General drain cleaning products for 15 years. There's many features that set them apart from others. The enclosed drum, so you're not spraying and making a mess all over your workstation. Easy maneuverability. Everything is easy to use when you have gloves on and it's dirty. They're one of the few that have got a guide so the cable doesn't snap out. Nice foot pedal. Big wheels that you don't ever have to worry about going flat. If you've got a question, I recommend using General. McKee Rocks, Pennsylvania.